Hi friends, happy Wednesday and welcome to our virtual classroom. Today in science, we are going to work on our lesson check and self-check on irreversible and reversible changes. To prepare, we are going to review or reread lesson 4, How Does Matter Change? And remember, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain that some changes to matter can be undone, but other changes cannot. All right, let's start with reversible changes. It says, what happens to lemonade if you put it in the freezer overnight? How does it change? How does it stay the same? Let's find out. It says the kitchen temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The boy has lemonade in a bottle. It is a liquid at room temperature. He puts the lemonade in the freezer overnight. The freezer temperature is 1 degree Fahrenheit. The next morning, the lemonade is a solid. The cold caused it to freeze. What will happen to the frozen lemonade if the boy leaves it out on the counter? So remember, the kitchen temperature is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The next morning, the change was undone. The lemonade had become liquid again. A change that can be undone or reversed is a reversible change. Freezing and melting can be reversible changes. Let's go to the irreversible changes. What happens to different materials when you cook, burn, or freeze them? So cooking. The raw vegetables are firm and dry. During cooking, they get softer, wet, and begin to turn brown. The cooked vegetables cannot change back into raw ones. Burning. The paper is white in one piece. As the paper burns, it crumbles into powdery gray ashes. The ashes cannot change back into a white piece of paper. And then freezing. When the flower is frozen, its petals are cold and hard. Freezing the flower causes this shape to change. This change cannot be undone. Some materials can be changed forever. A change that cannot be reversed or undone is an irreversible change. All right, thank you so much for reviewing and rereading lesson 4, How Does Matter Change? Remember to select the assignment named Science, Irreversible and Reversible Changes Lesson Check and Self-Check. Have a happy Wednesday.